At long last, the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro have been launched and are now ready for pre-orders, and we've been unboxing the Duo so you know just what to expect, which isn't all that much. Thanks for watching 9to5Google here on YouTube. Remember to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then tap the bell icon to be notified about all our future uploads. So unlike the Pixel 5, the entire Pixel 6 series is a return to the flagship roots of the Made by Google smartphone series, and Google has introduced the brand new Tensor chip, and the specifications for this Duo are very much in that flagship camp once again. There's also no denying that the unboxing experience here with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro is very short and sweet. For starters, the omission of the in-the-box charger, which was confirmed before launch, means that the box itself is thin and lighter, despite both phones being bigger than ever before. Google's shift to make more sustainable packaging also means that there isn't too much to sink your teeth into until you get that phone powered on, that is. A notable as well here is that depending on which colour Pixel 6 model you do happen to choose, the accenting of the box will also match the colour that you've chosen, which, as you could probably say, means that the packaging even adheres to Android 12's Material You theming, which is a nice extra touch. Peeling back the lid though and taking the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro out of the box, and you'll notice now it comes with a paper screen protector rather than a plastic one that has been on previous phones. But it is worth noting that there is no pre-applied screen protector included, which means you'll have to pick one up separately to protect your screen in the long term from micro scratches and maybe longer term drops. In the box, as we do know, there is no charger this year. Instead, you'll just get a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, plus a quick switch adapter for transferring your data from another smartphone. Oddly, as this is an adapter, it is USB-C to USB-A, but you can just use the C to C cable to switch from an Android to another Android device. There is also a SIM tool to get your SIM card installed, and finally, there is a slimmer quick start guide that includes some general data and information about the device itself. This is the exact same package for all Pixel models, so there are no extras that you might be worried about missing out on here. The unboxing experience is practically the same across both devices. Although not included in the box, there are also new Pixel 6 official cases that you can pick up separately this year, which are made from recycled frosted plastic rather than the fabric cases that have been used in previous years. Each case does mimic the accenting of each colour Pixel 6 or 6 Pro and provides laser precise protection for your new smartphone. We will have a full hands-on with the entire range in the coming days, so stay tuned for that if you are interested in the official case lineup for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Overall though, that is all there is to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro unboxing experience, courtesy of my colleague Ben over in the US, who has said that both devices are noticeably heavier and at least on first glance do remind us of a certain Korean tech giant's hardware. That said though, due to the lack of my own direct access to the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro hardware, we will have some further thoughts about the Duo in the coming days and a full review shortly afterwards. But hopefully you did enjoy this, what is a very, very brief unboxing, kind of first look video. And if you have any questions about either phone, then pop them down in the comment sections below, and we'll try to answer as many as humanly possible. Until next time though, this is Damien with 9to5Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.